Do you know that you can make money by selling your voice online even without any experience? Yes, you can surely make money online by selling your voice by selling your voice during voiceover. You know all this kind of voiceover they do for TikTok videos on YouTube that just do voiceover. You can surely do it online and get paid without even going through any experience. Or somebody has already told you that you talk too much or you are a talkative. See, you have a talent in you, so you can surely do this voiceover. I'm going to show you this particular platform that you can do voiceover for their jingles, for documentaries, for recording audio books, for recording TV shows and movies, podcasts, by becoming an announcer, like all these things here. You are going to be selling your voice for them and you'll be getting paid. You can do voiceover for pidgin language, English language, Yoruba, your native languages. Like you can do voiceover for them. Like any languages is acceptable on this platform that I'm about to show you, and it is worldwide. You can be in US, you can also surely do these things. It's not meant for only Nigerians alone. So let's dive into the video. So if someone can do voiceover like this, I'm very, very sure you can do it. So listen to it.
That day, light no day, motor no gree start, no fuel for gen. Your boy just dey stranded. My guy, for say you for see me that day, you for pity me scatter. No better food to chop, no better beverage where I for use cool my temper. Maybe say I don't tanda under hot sun since morning. Oh, which kind wahala be this one self? Bros me.
You can see it's very, very pleasing to the ears. So just do this and get started. So I'm going to get you into the video now and see the steps that you need to go through to get started. So welcome to the screen of my phone. This particular site I want to show you is called Voquent, and it is a site where you can sell your voice and then you get paid hourly. You can do hourly job or monthly job here and you get paid. You can see any language, any accent, get translation and voiceover services for multilingual films, advertisements, and e-learning projects. So this is how you can work hard, like just give out your voice to them, just place your voice on any advert or documentary or any audio books, because it's not only in Nigeria we speak pidgin. Like some people here are actually here that they are giving out their voice in pidgin and they are getting paid. So I'm going to show you the proof here that we have Nigerians that are on this site and they are making money by selling their voice. You can actually do this thing. If you can do voiceover for your TikTok videos, or you are very, very sure that you can use your voice to make money, then this site is for you. I know that making money online is not as easy as you think, but what works for Mr. A might not work for Mr. B, and what works for Mr. B might not even work for Mr. A. So, like, if you know that you're very, very good in doing voiceover, then this site is for you. Come and make money here, guys. They are top earners here and they are making money. You can see browse over 25,000 voice talent across thousands of locations worldwide. If they have like 25,000 voice over, then tell me why you can't shook your own voice inside this thing, guys. So like just go on this site and then apply to get started. So let us search here. Okay, voice over, then let us choose the language. Let us choose you can see Arabic. Look at here. Any, you can choose any: Korean, Portuguese, Hindi, Spanish, Italian, German, French, Japanese, Chinese, Arabic, English. In fact, there is Yoruba. If you want Yoruba, there is Pidgin language. Let me search for Pidgin language. Pidgin language from anywhere. Okay, from anywhere. Let me search. I'm going to search for those that are not verified. Like you are going to see them now. Still loading. Yes, 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 yes. You can see from Abuja, from Lagos. You can see them here. Like from Abuja, from Lagos. Like these are the people that have already signed up on this platform to speak Pidgin language. You can see it here. You can speak language or foreign assets from Ibadan. Yes, my Ibadan people. So like we have them here actually. So all what you just have to do is just come here and then make cool money for yourself. Like you'll be paid hourly. It depends on the terms and condition for the job you want to apply for. So you make voiceover for it. Just sign up on this site. And more so, if you find this video helpful, please give me a like. And if you are just coming across my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And then if you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much. It is very, very dear to my heart. Thank you very, very much. And I promise to always give you valuable content like this. And if you want me to improve more on my videos, just let me know in the comment section. That Esther, make videos on this and that. Just let me know, improve on this. So I'm going to work more on my videos. So thanks so much for sticking to the end of this video. I'll see you in my next video.